Hi y'all, and welcome back to my channel, That Girl Plummy, and I'm back with another video. In this video is going to be about foot hygiene or foot detox. So if you're new to my channel, please go ahead and hit that subscription button, and if you're coming back, welcome. Don't forget to like and comment down below. Okay, stay tuned. A worker in Ross introduced this to me, and I said, okay, let me try it. So I tried it, and I feel like I want to share it on my channel. So here's the package, and I'm going to open the package and show y'all how I placed it under my feet. It's easy direction because it's already showed you. Please put adhesive sheet on this side. So that's what I'm about to do. Okay. And here's my adhesive part. Now that I place everything under my feet, I'm going in with some back balm. Listen, if you don't have no back balm, get you some soft foot. This is one of the best thing. Okay, get you some. This one is new because my old one was finished. And I like to put a lot of back balm under my feet. Okay, there we go. And with my back balm, I love to go in with some Razak also. Listen, this is one of the best lotion. Never loses its consistency. Okay. Yes, but you do not have to do that part. You can definitely only use the back balm. Okay, back balm are the best. So, and I just nicely spread that in my hand, mix it together, and place it under my feet like so. Yes, guys. After that, get you some socks. Okay, put your foot in a socks. I like to put the socks on when I'm doing the patch also, because I'm going to show you what I'm talking about. All right. Yes. The stuff that comes out goes on the sheets sometimes. And put you some socks on. All right. Put you some socks on. Quick, I want to show you guys that I did went ahead and do a tester somewhere else on my body. And this, I didn't get the same black stuff coming out. As you can see, the tape over there is still nice and clean. So that's proof, okay? Until you see the real results when it's on the bottom of your feet. All right, just stay tuned right there and you're gonna see. Morning, y'all, and let's jump right into it. Now, this is the real thing. Now let's remove socks. Take it down, take that socks away. And as you can see right around the edging of the pack in the adhesive, it looks wet, don't it? Now that's all the stuff that comes out of the foot. All right, now let's take away this tape. Remove it, y'all. Now look at that. See that? That's everything that it says on the box. Okay, it did everything for me personally. Right there, I'm gonna put a popped up picture right there, what it says on the box. Okay, that exactly what happened to me personally. All right, so as it says on there, black and oily toxins, everything gonna hold remove from the body. So that's exactly what happened to me personally. Okay, guys, now I'm gonna go in with some fab and Scotch Brite, because the fab got that grain, and remove all that sticky black stuff from under the bottom of my feet. Okay, you don't have to use Scotch Brite and a fab. You can use something else if you want, but for me, I love to use fab and Scotch Brite. Okay, so after that, I like to go in with my Dove scrub. Okay, I use this every part of my body, and I also use it on the bottom of my feet. Okay, wash that feet nicely, guys. Please take care of your feet. Okay, it handle all that weight and all that walking. It goes through a lot. All right, then after that, I go in with my little pumice stone. Okay, some people have it separately, some people have the brush separately. So let me point out something. Don't come for me. All I know, my nails is pink and my toenail is blue, but both couldn't get done at the same time. It was too super late at the nail shop, and they have to do one or the other, so I chose to do my fingernails. Okay, toenails can stay for last. Scrub in between, wash in between. I like to go in with my Dove body wash. You can use any body wash of your choice. And then I go in with my Dettol, guys. Okay, I really love me some Dettol. In the video I did before, hygiene haul, I showed you my Dettol. So yes, oopsie, oopsie, I almost fall. Anyway, scrub that feet nicely, guys. All right, give that a nice brush. And I don't do this every single day, but on one day out of week, you have to go in with a deep clean. Do all of that clean in between your pedicures, okay? Yes, let's take care of our feet. Scrub, scrub, scrub. Now you need to dry in between toenails. You can use a dry washcloth, whatever you like. I like to use paper towel. I just use and dump. Then I'm going in with my body oil. Guys, if you don't have this one, please go and get one. It's really nice, smells good. Make sure you massage it nicely in the foot. Okay, lotion, oil, whatever you're gonna use, make sure you put some pressure and massage that foot nicely. These are things that you want to do to yourself in between your pedicure, like I said. Now I'm gonna go in with my bog balm under the bottom of my feet. Please do not use this when you're walking on tile or if you're going outside wearing slippers, because it's really slippery. But for me, I have carpeted floors, so give it a nice massage, work it in, y'all. Okay, please take care of your feet in between your pedicures. Like I said before, massage it nicely. And look at that, guys. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And thank you so much for watching this video. All right, thank you.